Alright, so continuing from the last video where we left off, we're going to ensure that all of our materials have all of the required textures plugged into them. So the only ones that we have plugged in right now are just the base colors. So we want to go first to the face and scroll down and see if we have any other maps that we may have missed and plug those into our materials. So you can see we have this normal map for the hair. We're going to click and drag that in, switch this to non-color so it's the proper color space, drag that into the normal map node into the color, and then we'll drag the normal into the normal on the principled BSDF. Now we'll continue to do this for the bodysuit, normal map, non-color, and normal map into the normal, and we'll speed up the process for the rest of the maps. Now for the coat, we've encountered the alpha map. So what we'll do is we'll click and drag the alpha into the alpha, and now we can see we have a nice cutout where the zipper is. We also have the AO map, which will combine with the base color. This is achieved by dragging in the map, searching for the mix color node. We're going to drop that on top of the base color and set it to multiply and combine that by plugging color into B. And we'll dial in how much AO we want, and then we will drag in the final map for the coat. Normal map, and then normal into normal. And then let's take a look at the final material. Looks good to me, and let's do that for the rest. See you in the next video when we bake all the new materials with Simple Bake.